Hey, what is up YouTube? My name is Kaustubh. You are watching Technobuff channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about Micromax. Yes, Micromax has come up with two new smartphones in India and they are hoping to make a comeback in the smartphone market. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video. But first, let's roll the intro. So Micromax has come up with two new smartphones in the budget segment. The first smartphone is a Micromax in 1B and it is priced at around 6,999 for the base variant, that is 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. And if you put on one more thousand extra, then you get 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, that is for 7,999. So pretty good deal because you are getting MediaTek Helio G35 on this one, and considering the base variant, 2GB of RAM, 32GB of storage would be enough for a normal user. If you are a little bit of a heavy user, like you play games and all, not heavy games but light games such as PUBG Lite and all, such kind of games. I know PUBG is banned now, so for that you can buy the 4GB of RAM variant. But talking about the display of the phone, you get 6.5-inch HD plus display and there is a type C port. That is a great advantage because none of the smartphones in that segment provides the same. The next thing I want to talk about is the battery of the smartphone, that is 500 mAh of battery. And really need to check how well Micromax has optimized this phone, because it is a stock Android phone and we have seen that how Mi A3 was not that successful because of the OTA updates that were pushed by Mi A3 that were not stable. So if you have not checked my last video, that is on Mi A3, it will be linked here, so you can go and check that video as well. I've clearly explained how the Mi A3 performs in day-to-day life. Okay, if you haven't watched that video, you can check it out here or here somewhere. So the next thing I want to talk about the phone in 1B is the camera, and you get 13+2 megapixel rear camera at the back and a 8 megapixel selfie shooter. So this is the budget centric smartphone, and the next smartphone that you get is in Note 1, and this starts from 10,999 for the base variant, that is 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. This also comes with a higher variant, that is with increased storage for 4GB with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage for 11,999. So this phone comes up with MediaTek Helio G85, and considering 11,000 rupee for this smartphone, totally worth it because this is a stock Android phone and Micromax has promised to give 2 years of software updates. Let's see how many updates they can push, how many security updates they can give, or how regular and punctual they are with the updates. So that will be interesting thing to see. Both phones come up with 5,000 mAh of battery, type C port, and in the Note 1 you get a punch hole display, and that is what the display is about. It is slightly bigger display, that is 6.6-inch full HD plus display, and on the back you get quad camera setup, that is 48+5, that is main camera will be the 48 megapixel. I think it is a Sony sensor because they have not explicitly mentioned it as this. Otherwise companies, brands tell you that it is a Sony sensor because Sony has a better sensor than Samsung. And the next thing I want to talk about is the camera that supports the wide angle, that is 5 megapixel, and you get 2 megapixel depth sensor and a macro sensor as well. And talking about the selfie, you get a 16 megapixel selfie shooter. Now you also get a Google Assistant button on this one. So if you want to enable Google Assistant quickly, you can just tap on that Google Assistant button. So that's about the in 1B and in Note 1. I hope Micromax gives a tough competition to other brands, and since it is a Indian smartphone, we need to support Micromax as we did in 2013-14. But the problem with Micromax was those phones were Chinese. They were using the stamp of Micromax and just selling it. So right now also I think some parts will be from China, but as most of the production is done in India, we need to support Micromax, and I hope Micromax does well. So that's pretty much it in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel because it is free. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, it's goodbye from Technobuff. Take care.